Um, a very important thing when you're a kid doing ventriloquism is that when you're new to it, like if you're showing it off at school, because you'll be inclined to do it, don't listen to anything negative that some people may say. I've been bullied for it in middle school. I've been told I suck because I was new at it. But keep doing it. Don't ever give up on this art form because, well, I never gave up, and now I'm running around county fairs all summer performing, making pretty good money. Um, and I think that would probably be my biggest one, just being when I was in the sixth grade, I was bullied pretty heavily. This was before I did ventriloquism, but I chose not to listen to the bullies anymore. And they eventually stop when they see that you just don't care what they're saying. Um, so if I had to pick a big thing for a young entertainer, I would probably pick that.
I
And
think
that's
that's
probably just
lovely
one of my
sage
biggest challenges.
advice indeed.